But look at this. They overheated the damn car. Like the car, I definitely wouldn't take it back at this point.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Perfect. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are off to sell the Jaguar. I'm going to try to squeeze through here, and I know I shouldn't do it, but I did it anyway. Whew. Just drove under a machine that they, one of those cherry picker things. Anywho's, so we're going to go see what we can be offered for the Jaguar for the XJS today. I had a couple of private individuals that wanted to see the car, but Jaguar themselves here in Edmond, Oklahoma wanted to check it out too. And yeah, we're gonna go see what we can be offered for the Jag. And then I think it's time we do a monthly, maybe I'll start doing these monthly, like profit and loss, how much money we made between the YouTube videos, the cars themselves, and if there's any profit involved. So yeah, let's get into it. So I am here at Jaguar.
Any interest in because of the age.
Okay.
It looks like it's in great shape.
Yeah.
You know, that's, and I don't know if
Nope. That was a hard no. You know, you would think Jaguar, well, the dealer in Las Vegas was like, do you want to sell it? And I was like, not really. And then, so I figured I'd bring it here. But they were like, yeah, because of how old it is and what it is, that more than likely that none of the, and I didn't know this was a Bob Howard dealer. You know how we all feel about Bob Howard. And that makes sense. You know, like I said, it makes sense to me. Hold on, let me pump this here. So I don't know what's going on. I thought it was the parking brake, but it's not. I think I'm starting to get a sticking caliper in the rear, which is the other reason why I'm selling. I gotta sell the car. I don't have time to be working on this damn thing and fixing it and doing all of that. So it is what it is. So now we're gonna roll over to America's favorite place to sell cars, Carmax. Now I'm gonna see what Carmax offers me for the car. Now Carvana offered me a really, this is the funny thing, especially where I did a story on them. They offered me a really decent price on the car. So it'll be interesting to see what Carmax offers on the car in person as opposed to, you know, online. So let's go over there and check and see what Carmax offers. And then, like I said, she's still driving. She's driving fine. And we'll go from there. Boy, I already know what y'all are thinking. Don't you dare do it, TK. I can't help it though. This M3, like, shout out to my dude Carlos, man. Carlos got one of these. I like this joint. They want $52,998, and it's got 30,000 miles, and it's a 17. Hell no. Yeah, Carlos, you should sell that, man. You should cash in. M6. Yo, why is the M6? Oh, it's a 2014. That's why. Yo, the M6 is $44,998, and it's got 57,000 miles on it, and a bunch of water bottles on the seat. Woo. I'm not really interested in much out here at Carmax. There's nothing that grabs my attention, so to speak. But that Durango, but it's got a food stamp motor in it. I'm good. Huh. Well, Let's let them get their appraisal in, and let's see what they offer me for the Jag, man. I'm interested, man, because look, where I'm at with it now is I could park it, and shout out to my dude Randy. I could park it down, you know, at AAR headquarters and leave it while I head back and get my Challenger fixed appropriately, but I'm not going to do that, man. I'm just like, I might as well sell it, especially with whatever the hell is going on with it now, with the, and I know it's probably something as simple as it's a rear brake caliper that's sticking, right? But do I want to deal with that? Do I want to like jack the car up, take it apart, check the calipers and all that shit? No, I don't want to do that right now. It's too damn hot. It's too damn hot. Damn, they got Mustangs. Okay, that's a 20. But damn, Mustang's going for 45? Whew. Whew. Corvette. No price on that one, huh? We got an RT, that bright ass red. And so you're gonna get lots of tickets. You're gonna get more tickets than the boys in the Scat Pack with that. A Camaro, that better be a SS. It is 41,000. Damn. Yo, the used car market is retarded right now. That's the only reason why I'm kind of like, we got an 86 from Toyota. Shout out to my dude, the 86. This one's 25,998. Is it a manual though? That's the thing. Oh, it's pending. Another customer is interested. It is a manual. Huh. Yeah, man, the market is really stupid right now. So if you have a car and you're like, I'm thinking about doing this, or I want to sell this, or I want to get out of this car and do, this is your opportunity to do exactly that, right? Get out of what you're currently in. If you bought a car and you've had it for a couple years, it's your opportunity to sell it and get some money back. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Whew. Look at this Tesla Model 3. Shout out to my dude E-Vapors. This is clean. I don't see any stickers on it though. It's a dual motor too. Yeah, I'm not doing, if I do a Tesla, you know I gotta go Model X or Model S, right? And I gotta go like stupid with it. We shall see. But anyways, guys, I'm just waiting at this point. Oh, there's a Daytona. It's gotta be a RT. I don't see any badges on it on the side. Yeah, small calipers. It's a RT. So we're gonna see what they offer and we'll go from there. It looks like they're about to move the Jag. So we'll see how she goes here in a minute. Oh! Wow, they about wrecked my car, man. Are you fucking serious? There she goes. I was like, what the F, man? That'd have been sweet though. I mean, if they would have rear-ended it, you know what I'm saying, or hit somebody else with the car, I'd have been like, hey, that shit is y'all's car now. That's y'all's car now. Damn, they hot rodding the damn car, man. I seen him come up off the interstate. Ooh. I hope that wasn't the Jag I just heard. Woo. You want to talk about ass being tight? My ass is tight, bro. Just seeing how the person that had the car here from Carmax driving that shit, I'm like, damn, man. You running this thing like it's the Indy 500 or some shit. I don't understand that at all. I really don't. Know this though, if you bring your car to Carmax and they test drive it, they are gonna beat on it. Like, hands down, no BS, they're gonna beat on your car or wreck it. You know, seeing that last thing right there, boy, I thought for sure that they were gonna hit something with it. So I probably should have put more gas in it, huh? How come they haven't pulled in yet? Now I'm a little concerned that maybe he did hit something. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Where is, like, I just saw him come off the exit. He was coming here into the turn lane. He didn't go straight. He didn't go running down there past 7-Eleven. So where is the car? Huh. Dude about hit another damn car coming in here with the damn thing, man. That dude was hot rodding the shit out of the Jag, man. Jesus Christ. Wow. He not only almost wrecked once, but he definitely almost wrecked it twice. Like, Jesus Christ. And so I got the offer from Carmax, but look at this. They overheated the damn car. Like, the car, I definitely wouldn't take it back at this point. Holy shit. Like, they legit, like, oh my God. I mean, look. And he left the e-brake on. Oh, wow.
Finish him.
It wouldn't, yeah, like, I have to sell the car at this point, right? Like, you ran it hot. You blew it up. You blew the car up. Like, hell nah, man. Wow. Wow. Guys, so, all right, guys, so that's it. I've been paid for the Jaguar. Now, I am getting something else, though, because of the issue. Because if I didn't want to sell the car, my car was kind of screwed today. So the Jaguar is gone. That's it. She's out of here. So we'll have to see what we do next. But if this was a crazy ass situation for you, believe me, it was a crazy ass situation for me. Now I'm gonna wait and see what corporate says, because I got my car for a set price, which we'll talk about here at the end. But corporate also agreed to pay a little something else, because if I didn't want to sell the car, I kind of would have been effed. I would have got screwed, being that the car is basically now broken. But for now, at least at this point, and I'm sorry for the wind in advance, at least for now, at this point, that's it. The car is gone. So there you have it. Now I get to walk in this heat back to my hotel where my Challenger is, and I'm down a car. Woo-hoo. All right, so let's talk numbers, because that's what you guys really want to know, right? So the initial offer from Carmax was $4,900, and that's with not just them seeing the odometer, but that is with disclosing that the car had 1 million miles. So that'd be pretty good, right? Being that I had 3,000 into the BMW that I traded the Jaguar for, selling it for almost $5,000. That's another $2,000 profit, right? Plus all the content and stuff that we got out of the vehicle. Nah, you know me. Petty Roosevelt, petty Pendergrass, you know, just extra petty. And I immediately went to the manager when they made me the offer, and I was like, I kind of feel like this is a little low, considering your porter, your driver, the one that's test driving the car, is hot rodding my shit, drove it with the e-brake on. Now, full disclosure, we already know, like, issues or whatever else that was going on with that car, but he didn't take the e-brake off, and yeah, that's a problem. So the kid admitted to the error or the issue that happened. He also admitted wow, people in here are loud as fuck. He also admitted to he's like, yeah, the car felt like it was struggling a little bit, but I just pushed the gas pedal harder. And then sat there and said that he revved it and all kinds of other stuff. So, talking to the manager, they reached out to corporate at Carmax, and I've been going back and forth with them via email today, and there'll be some other type of compensation. So, I will post a full update for that once I figure out what that compensation is, and post my full buying experience and review, or selling experience and review with it at that point. But for me right now, if you're looking at selling your car to Carmax, do not let them drive it. I mean, unless they're gonna like drive it with you in the car, I wouldn't do it. Cause what I saw today, and you guys saw it, he about backed into somebody, then hit somebody else coming back, almost hit somebody else coming back into the parking lot. Not to mention was hot rodding the shit out of the car. I'm gonna be honest with you. I know they gotta test the car and make sure that the car runs and all that stuff, but that car never ever ever ran hot in the whole time that I had it. And that was one of the biggest things. You know, did it like sometimes get a little bit above N? Yeah, that's normal. But to be pegged into the red, nah, man. They blew my car up. And it put me into the position where I'm like, I got to take this $4,900, because otherwise I could be taking a massive loss. I either take this $4,900 and hope corporate makes it right later, or I got to drive my overheated, hot rodded with the e-brake on for 20 minutes car back. That's some BS. So that's where we're at with it. Let me know what you guys think about this crazy situation in the comment section down below. Shout out to all you guys that actually follow me at TK's Garage on Instagram and seen this yesterday or day before, whenever you guys are going to see this video. It did blow me away. The one thing I will say that Carmax does do better than Vroom and a bunch of other places that you can sell your car to is they do give you a bank draft. It's not even a check, but you can deposit it the same way. They give you that the same day. So I will give them credit for that. But the experience of having to watch somebody hot rod your car and literally break it is abysmal for me. I'll never, ever, ever bring another car to Carmax for an appraisal. Ever. So hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I do. Comment below what you would have done in that situation, because I don't know how else I would have carried it outside of me being ignorant and probably going to jail. But I think I handled that pretty well. And I mean, an almost $2,000 profit, a $1,900 profit is a $1,900 profit, considering I traded the BMW for that car and made a little bit more money on it. Next.